Hi everyone, Lucy here from Backyard Providence, where God provides, even in your own backyard. Well, today I'm in the barn and it's raining outside, so I needed to milk my little Betsy right here. And just finished milking. We've got milk for the coffee this morning, and no one wants to go out. Like, they're all crowded. I got them all around me. There's one here. They're everywhere. They're all snuggling to me this morning because they don't want to go in that rain, and I don't blame them. But just sharing a happy moment where all of the girls and my ram, he's somewhere. I don't know if you can see the horns. There's the horns. That's my ram right there. Everybody's quiet. You know how rain just has a way of quieting things down. It's a restful sound. You just hear it and you just want to rest. Well, it's the same thing for animals. You don't really want to go out and eat in all of that rain. So they're quiet. They're just relaxing in the rain. So that's it. Just had to share. I have so many. Here's another little one right here. That's just, wanted to get petted just a little bit. So, and this one right here with the little horns, I was not able to pet up to about 2 weeks ago, and then he started to cuddle up, and okay, he can get scratches on the chin, and he's a happy little fellow. So that's it. Just had to share this morning how when there's a little bit of rain, everybody likes to cuddle, even the sheep. So have yourself a wonderful day. Time to cuddle, and God bless.